Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Teaching and Education series, we'll explore a fascinating topic that helps every teacher and student understand how humans grow, learn, and change over time. The topic is human development and learning, a core foundation of education that connects psychology, biology, and real-life classroom experience. You can explore the full series by clicking the playlist link in the video description below. What is human development and learning? Human development is the study of how people grow physically, emotionally, socially, and mentally, from birth all the way to adulthood. When we add learning into it, we're looking at how people develop the ability to learn, think, solve problems, build relationships, and more. Every stage of life comes with new abilities and challenges. A 5-year-old doesn't think the same way as a teenager or a 30-year-old teacher. So, educators must understand these stages to teach effectively. Why is this important in education? Have you ever noticed how young children love stories and games, while older students might enjoy debates and deep questions? That's not random. It's because their brains and emotions are at different stages of development. Understanding this helps teachers answer questions like, what's the best way to teach reading to a 6-year-old? How do teenagers handle pressure or stress differently than younger children? What motivates students at different ages? A good teacher doesn't just teach content, they meet students where they are in life, emotionally and mentally. Key stages of development. There are a few key age ranges to understand. Early childhood, 0 to 8 years. Rapid brain development. Children learn through play, movement, and storytelling. They're building basic trust, language, and social skills. Middle childhood, 9 to 12 years. Kids become more logical and curious. They like structure, but also begin to develop independence and identity. Adolescence, 13 to 18 years. Huge emotional and physical changes. Teens question rules, explore ideas, and need adults who can guide without judging. Adulthood, learning never stops. Adults learn differently, through reflection, real-world application, and personal motivation. Psychologists like John Piaget, Lev Vygotsky, and Erik Erikson develop powerful theories to help teachers understand how thinking and emotions evolve through these stages. Real-life classroom impact. Let's say you're teaching a 10-year-old who can't sit still or a teenager who seems moody. Instead of just getting frustrated, an educator trained in development might recognize that the child is not misbehaving, they're growing. Maybe they need a break, a change in activity, or emotional support. Human development helps teachers respond with empathy, not just discipline. Why future educators must learn this. If you're going into teaching, this knowledge is gold. You'll be able to create age-appropriate lesson plans, understand learning challenges early, support students' emotional well-being, build stronger relationships in the classroom. What's next? Now that you understand how humans grow and learn, our next episode will focus on something just as powerful: curriculum design and development. How do we decide what to teach and how to structure it? Make sure to subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and follow the full playlist linked below. Thanks for growing with us here at the Learning Studio.